I've been dealing with symptoms for over 40 years. I've been treating my illness symptoms. But I ended that last year, or the year before I decided to end my medical treatment. It's about reading the brain's information, knowing about yourself. When you want to be useful quickly, what's useful is the person's brain. You know, normally average people, if you ask about poison, they're not even doing poison, right? About 40% don't even think, they're just living. Not even thinking, living according to the situation, just like animals. Then about 40% think a little. They think in various situations, that's what they say. Thinking and reading information in your brain are completely different. Even if you can think, the answer to what to do next just doesn't come out. The answer comes from this, about 20% of something that's having a goal. For what purpose? Think about all that before asking. If you think before asking, you might figure something out. That's the best way, not understanding that, thinking in that way. How to raise people who think like that. The country is desperately thinking about, they guide, that they learn that various companies, various cooperation in various places, that way of thinking they learn. So any person, things they've experienced so far, when they experience or enter such environments they don't understand, need to do, the answer that comes isn't their own. Living like that, you lose yourself, no matter what environment, how to lose yourself. The country is always thinking about that. Such people just as chickens, they live as trailers. Preservation is eggs or their bodies. Just meat if the rest has no meaning. That's what the country thinks. But preservation isn't like that, right? I am 100%, you know. If so, it's good to win with yourself as 100. That kind of answer is important. So I want to do that for the country. I'm thinking the same.